use it safely today with the tool talk that I teach to my learners at Forest School before they are able to use the bow saw independently by themselves. So this is the handle, this is the cover. We take the cover off like so, it just clips off, and I'm using my helper hand with the glove on to do that. This is the blade, and this is the cutting edge. When I've finished with the saw, finished using it, I flip that cover on, like so. I stand with the bow saw, like this, and I walk with it, like this. When I'm passing the bow saw, I use two hands and pass it to my partner with the handle facing to them. I use the bow saw two arms and one tool away from anybody else. I use the bow saw for cutting wood no smaller than a 2 pence piece. I have a bare hand on the tool and a cut resistant glove on my helper hand. When I'm not using the bow saw, I place it down on the ground with the handle facing forward and the blade facing inwards. When I finish using the tool completely, I make sure that it goes back into the designated locked toolbox. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use the bow saw. So first of all, I'm going to kneel down. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to kneel my right leg up so that I can kneel down like so. The reason I do that is because I'm then on the outside of my leg, working on the outside. Don't cut this side because of this huge artery that goes down here. Really don't want to be cutting that, okay? So then, if I'm going to be sawing with a partner, what I will do is I'll turn the saw around like so. I'll be holding this hand with my bare hand. My helper hand with the glove on is going to be there. I'm going to be leading the cutting, and I'm going to have my partner, my learner, on the other side, cutting like so into the wood. Right, so we're ready to do the cut. So I've got my learner on that side, I'm on this side. We're going to cross our hands over, same with my partner on the other side, and we're going to start making that indentation into the wood. And what we do is, while we're saying this, I will say to me, and my learner will say to me, and we'll go to them. And we'll keep doing that until we've got a nice indentation in that wood. Once we've started to carve in, we can rest our hands just like so, on opposite sides, until we cut all the way through that piece of wood. Okay, so once we've finished doing what we've been doing with the bow saw, we are going to have a look at cleaning it. So I've got my glove on, I'm going to take off the cover, like so, peel that off, there we go. Okay, not looking too bad actually, so I'm just going to pick off any sawdust using my glove, any sawdust that might be stuck in those blades. Again, you can do this with your learner, as long as they've got their glove on. Okay, and all we're going to do is, on the top part of the blade, I'm just going to run a wire wool. Though sometimes if you've been using eucalyptus or pine, it can get quite sticky. So I'm just going to rub that across the top half to remove any debris that might have gotten on to that part. Again, this is a new saw, so it's immaculate at the moment. If these start to look a bit blunt, these sharp edges, then it's time we bought a new blade. Okay. Keep away the moisture. What I tend to do is just spray it in the actual sleeve, like so. And then we're just going to place that back on to the saw.